Hello. I want to thank everybody for all the support that I've gotten on my channel. I know that for a long time now I've been promising a Procreate 4 video of some sort where I actually go over like sort of the changes to Procreate 4 or anything like that. I'm not going to do exactly that. Instead, what I've done is a new 5-part series similar to my old one that essentially shows my process with some of the new things that are in Procreate. So for some of you, this is going to be nothing new at all, especially if you really diligently watch all my videos and you remember sort of like all those little points. I think that a lot of this is just going to be an encapsulation of a lot of that. But I've broken it up into 5 parts, and I think each one of them will give you at least one little new thing, if not more. So thanks for watching, and I hope this video makes good on all those promises of finally getting to it. It's been quite a crazy year in 2017, and I think that finding the time to do this was quite a challenge, but it's done now. I just finished editing it. In fact, I had a huge iMovie snafu where I recorded all the audio and then I had to go back in and replace all the audio, which was a nightmare. But I think that you guys will dig this. So let me know in the comments how you feel about the whole series, what more you'd still like to see, and otherwise the next video is going to go back into me doing some sort of a piece that I just sort of like, and then talking about how I made it. So thanks, and I hope I cover a lot of what you guys have been requesting.